Cordial greeting. My name is Yuri Maribel Castro. To continuation, I record my topic on the deliberation. Unit 1 and 2 text says final exam on word formation, language force and function. Definition of derivation. Derivation refers to the new word formation processes. This process has a general criterion. The union of base or lesson and derivative morpheme. This mechanism consists of ending a thing to concept to create a new word that maintains some kind of semantic link with the original theme. Affixes in the derivation can be suffix and prefix can also be noted, but with affix attached to which root is always quite arbitrary and unpredictable. It is not a matter of rule, but must be stated separately for a root. Question, what is an affix? It is a grammatical sequence that can be placed before prefix, in the middle infix, or at the end suffix of word to alter its meaning. Derivative words, therefore, are these that arise by derivation by creating an affix in the structure of our term qualified as primitive. Types of derivation. One, derivation nominal. Adjectival derivation. Two, three, verbal derivation. Derivation nominal refers to announs. Adjectival derivation refers to adjective, and verbal derivation refers to verb. Nouns refers to a base noun, adjective, and verbs. There is examples as area, establishment, dairy. Adjective is dynamics, opportunities. And verb and a PhD student. In adjective derivation, refers to adjective, refers to base adjective, noun, and verb. For example, Eastern nationalists, noun, for example, our family school, verb, for example, ISO, addicts. In verbal derivation, verbs refers to base verbs, nouns, and adjectives. Base verb, for example, ER, and now ER, to, if, modify. An adjective, for example, if, barely, scientific. Examples of derivation. The international structure of words and processes of word formation of the derivational affix to a root produce a new word, which one or more of following chains phonological chains. Some examples are reducer, reduction, an orthographic change to the root. For example, happy, Japanese. A semantic change with maybe fewer complete. For example, event, eventual, emerge, emergency. And oral change in word class, for example, eat, a table, impress, impression. Examples of suffix and prefix. An example of introductive suffix is the th in warm, with dab, or whereas. An example of productive suffix is the able in available, admirable, or honorable. These are somewhat the reference that I use. Thanks.